Nature is full of treasures. Treasures every day, new ones. All depends on how you choose to look at things. And you see, right here where I'm sitting, I picked up from the water this beautiful stone. Look at it. It is so perfectly white. It is absolutely stunning. Isn't that beautiful? Forgive my dogs, they love to participate. It's so beautiful. And what comes to mind immediately, it's a piece of quartz, white quartz. And to me, it looks like a heart. I'm going to put it down now on the ground so you could see the shape of it a bit better. And you won't believe it, just as I decided to put the stone down, my eyes fell upon another one. I'm going to put this one down so you can see the shape real nicely. There. And there lies the stone. Look at it. It makes you think. It's almost like a tooth. You turn it around, that's what it looks like to me. It looks like a tooth. See? And it comes to mind that, hey, these two can actually fit into each other. You wouldn't say so normally, but this is the way I perceive it. You know, I've spent a lot of time in nature, and I tell you now, this is a highly unusual shape to find in nature with a rock to be broken like this. Interesting. So now look at this. See? You take this one and put it in there, it almost matches. I'm going to turn it around, and I turn the stone around like this. And take this beautiful white stone and place it right in there. You see? Now it's almost a perfect fit. Can you believe that? Isn't that so cool? Isn't that so special? I think it is. I think it's awesome. To me, this is a real treasure, and I'm taking both of them home. Because you see, this is now the second confirmation. Yesterday, I visited another place, and while I was waiting, there were these two rocks lying next to each other. That used to be one, and it cracked open, so you can only see, you now see the two parts lying separate, but the sides is still connected. And I thought, oh my goodness, I remember from the Toltec teachings that is a sign, a very powerful sign of two energies coming together that belongs together. They only appear to be separated so that you can for a moment be aware of it, that they have all along been part of the same stone. But this is very unique, because this is often how it is in nature, that why they say opposites attract. You would never ever in any normal circumstances put these two stones together, but just look at it. The one provides the perfect holding space for the other one. And suddenly both of them become more powerful in appearance. And even if I would turn it around again, it's still going to look like a tooth. But I have to put it down to do that. You see what I mean? Isn't that amazing? Hey? I think that is so super cool.